Okay guys, so this is the 16th episode and as always we'll talk about one of the lies told to you, to everyone. So today the lie I'm going to talk about is this phenomenon, enlightenment. I mean, whatever you call it, like it's whatever it is. You must have heard stories, right? It's like this guy went to forest, like meditated for 20 days, then he got to know the truth. Or this guy, suddenly something happened and he started blaming something. So why do people, like, why does it happen? Why people do it? Why it happens to only certain people? Why not? Can it be reached by system? Is there something worth reaching there? All sort of questions, right? So I will explain to you everything in terms of diagram today, okay? This is like, okay, you are born, you are this dot, okay? You see this dot? You are now here. And then when in childhood you open your eyes, people started telling you stories. So that is, these are your stories. That okay, you are Indian, you are male, you are this, you have to take care in like family and all of these, right? This is how you should live, you should get to a good college. Why is college important? What should be taught in the college? All of these, right? And your story starts building out. You understand what is happening here? This is how you consider. So this is, you can see like flow of time also in outdoor directions. Like if you say like the flow of time. So with that, this is kind of basically developing your story. That is preserved mostly in your own memory, but also shared with some people, right? So who you are is predominantly who do you think in your mind who you are, right? Because that is the principal person who is in charge of your story, right? That is how it should, at least it should be, right? I mean, everybody should be hero of their own story. It's like, because only that is the only version which can make sense. So now you are seeing what is happening. So your story is developing. I need a good animator. Then it will be like, yeah, animating outside. You can show the layers, like the family trap. All of these are like traps only. So it's like after 25, you need to get a house and all of this. So the one more, get a house. So how many years I gone in that? 20, 30 years, done, contract. And all of this, no, it's very templatized. So it's very easy to understand also if you actually are very logical. So now, you know what is enlightenment? Enlightenment is understanding of here till here. It's finding this edge and trying to go beyond it, or basically recognition of the edge. It's like there is an edge to this model. You know, this model is again the realization that it's a templated model, and templates, like machines works in templates, and in human life, the realization of the human life to break free, in the sense like a boy, very simple, boy dancing like a girl. You understand what is happening here? There is a possibility of life which is trying to saying like, okay, what if I have like this version or this selection? Like what if I want to skip this, remove this, remove this? Where is my template? So this is actually this edge now, because center, you are the center. So if that is this is like 0 and 1 situation only. If you know the center edge, knowing the edge, you can detect the center, you know. It's like by the curvature. So it's like interdependent only. Okay, now I told you what it is. Very mathematical model. This is your story building up. Once you realize that this story is very limited, or you find the edge of the story, basically. Okay, what if I want to go there? Basically, you found some door which was not supposed to be opened. Then we're like, we are playing a game, right? And you are like, why cannot a tree grow here? It's like you are in a matrix. Why I want the tree to be grown here, exactly right here. And the game developer is like, no, that is cannot be allowed according to the code. But that is just a human game developer, you understand? So that guy might not be actually more intelligent than you. Okay, so let me briefly talk about how do someone get there, like realize the edge. So there are so many ways. There are infinite ways, okay? First thing, you need to be honest. Because if you are not honest, you won't be able to realize these layers. Because then you will be just treating it like an ego story only. And then you can reach either way. So if you are a book reader, you read everything. If you read every book now, you will understand that there is an end to books. There is an end that can be taught in books. So you will realize the edge. If you are a scientist, be completely logical. No assumptions in your thing. Only logic. Go straight, you will find it. There is a easier but very dangerous way also, which is like prayer. So prayer is like assuming that there is an edge here. That's a very dangerous way, because that is like hit and miss. So it's like I asked you to jump from a 20th floor. It's like, okay, God will save you. That is basically belief or prayer. That you understand how dangerous that is, right? What else is there? There is the way. Body is anyways, if you actually are more perceptual in the body, then you don't need the way. You are the way, in a way. I think it's a very clear understanding. I mean, someone like just right here, no? Okay. So this is like till 4 year, you are here. So not a lot of data, but then after 4 years, let's say your school starts. So we have to learn tables, we have to learn word names, month names, so much stuff. We need to remember maths and all of that. And then we get here, then we go to college. Then college happens, everything is also templated, have a girlfriend, have this, that, did. Then I leave, join a job. Job is also templated, boss will always be toxic, and he will always be care more about money rather than any employee. So everyone will under him will be like a slave. So that is also templated. And then you kind of have regrets about life. You do become toxic or angry at yourself. You are not able to sleep, and finally somehow you give up and you die. Done. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next episode.